Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, my dear students. Here is your mathematics teacher Muhammad Abdus Saeed from Pakistan International School, Saudi Arabia. Today we will continue our lecture number 56 and exercise 6.2, question number 10. In case of question number 10, actually we have to find the weighted average. We have to find the weighted average. You know about the weighted average formula. XW is equal to sigma XW over sigma W. This is our formula. Weighted average formula. Yes. X W bar mean. So weighted average is sigma XW divided by sigma W. So in this way you can find the value of weighted average. Here is a student obtained the following marks at certain examination. Certain marks in examinations. Here is subject marks. This is X and weight is given also. Next column is XW. Students obtained the following marks in the certain examination in English 73, English 73 and Urdu 82, Mathematics 80, Urdu 82, Mathematics 80 and History 67, History 67 and Science is 62. 62. Yes. After that, your part number 1 is if the weights according to these marks are 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2. What is the approximate average mark? Here you have to multiply them. You multiply, yes, 73 by 4. Yes. 73 by 4 is 292. Then 82 by 3. 82 by 3, that is 246. Then 80 by 3, that will be 240. Then 67 by 2, here is 134. Then 62 by 2, that will be 124. This is sigma W, this is sigma XW. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 3, 10, and this is 14. Sigma XW, we will add them to 92 plus 246 plus 240 plus 134 plus 124. 246, 240, 134, 124 equal 1036. So dear students, apply this value in this formula sigma xw over sigma w. We have 1036 over 14. 1036 divided by 14. Your answer is 74. Dear students, this was your part number 1. In next part, you simply change the weights as all weights are same. And same method, same technique, you multiply with these numbers and add them again and divide by same weight. So this weight is actually, for example, we are having 4 each, this is 4. What will be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No need. So similarly, if you multiply these numbers will be different. And you will get the different value of sigma xw. Here you multiply them. 73 multiplied by 4, that is 292. 82 multiplied by 4, that will be 324. 80, 320. Then 65, 67 multiplied by 4. 67 multiplied by 4, that will be 268, and then 62 multiplied by 4, 248. Now we will add them. 248 plus 268 plus 320 plus 328 plus 292. That will be equal to 1456. Same formula, simply you change your values here. Here is 1456 divided by 20. 1456 divided by 20. Your answer is 72.8. So dear students, this was your question number 10. After that, you can check question number 13. Determine graphically the following data and check your answer by using formula. We have median and quartiles using cumulative frequency polygon and mode using histogram. Class boundaries and frequencies are given. Question number 13. Class boundaries and frequency is given. Here is 10 to 20. 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. 259641. 259641 and 1. Dear students, this is the question. You have to find number 1, median and quartiles, and number 2, mode by histogram. Dear students, first of all, I will find mode by histogram. You must know about this histogram, that histogram is drawn between class boundaries and frequencies. Here is x-axis, this is y-axis. On x-axis we will draw class boundaries and here frequencies. Histogram is drawn by class boundaries and frequencies. We will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. In frequencies, one big box is equal to 1. Actually, you have to draw a scale here. You have to write down a scale. It's important. On x-axis, one big box is equal to one class boundary. And on y-axis, one big box is equal to one frequency. First is 2. Here is 10 to 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. Dear students, you can check. Here we have class boundaries. In first class boundary, the frequency is 2. So you can write down, you can draw in this way. Look, this is adjacent rectangles. 2. In front of 2, you draw 10 to 20, this is adjacent rectangle. Next is 5. From 20, you move up to 5 and come on 30. This is 5. Next is 9. Here is 9. 40. 30 to 40 we have the frequency as 9. Next is 40 to 50 is 6. Yes. Then 50 to 60 is 4. And 60 to 70 is 1. Dear students, this is histogram. We have to find the mode. Now, mode is the most frequent value. It's very easy. Check the central value of the most frequent class. Most frequent class is 9. Here you put the dots here and join these dots in the opposite sense. Here, select the most frequent class boundary, join these corners from here. This one, not here, this one. Now, with the dotted line, you come on x-axis. This is your mode, that is approximately 35. So mode is in between 30 and 40, that is 35. So this was mode by histogram, dear students, that is finished. After that, we have to find the median and quartiles. Now, first of all, we must understand what are the quartiles. Basically, quartiles are the quarter. Quarter means fourth part. So, Q1 is first quartile, that is 1 into n by fourth item. And Q2 is equal to 2 into n by fourth item. Actually, it will be 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4. It is n over 12th. And this is actually median. So, second quartile is also known as median. After this, Q3, 3 into Q by n by fourth. Fourth item. So what is meant by n? Here n means sigma f, or you can say cumulative frequency. Here we will have cumulative frequencies. Yes, dear students, we have now this f is sigma f, actually it is n. You add them, what will be? This is 10, 10 and 10, 20, and this is 26. 26. So what you will have, what will be Q1? Q1 is 1 into n by fourth, n means 26 over 4, and 26 over 4th is 26 divided by 4th. That will be 6.5. After that, Q2, here is 2 into n by fourth, mean 2 into 6.5 is equal to 13. And Q3 is 3 into n by fourth. 3 into n by fourth is 6.5. That will be 19.5. Yes. So either 15 and 18 and 1. 19.5. Yes. Here is, these are Q1, Q2, Q3. After that, we have to write down the less than cumulative frequency table. Less than cumulative frequency. Here is less than 10. Less than 10. That will be 0. Less than 10. That is 0. Less than 20, that will be 2. less than 30, it will be 2 plus 5 is 7, less than 40, 16, less than 50, that will be 22, and less than 60, 26, and then it will be less than 70, 27. So we can have 2 plus 5 is 7, 16 plus 6 is 22, plus 4 is 26, plus 1 is 27. So dear students, we can write down these informations. Q1 is first quartile, that is 6.5. Then Q2 is 13th. Then Q3 is 19.5. 19.5. Now we will apply the less than cumulative frequency table. We have to draw the graph and physically we will find the values. Here is x-axis and this is y-axis. We can take on y-axis less than cumulative frequency, and we can take 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26 and 28. Actually the total is 27. So that's why I'm taking scale as scale on y-axis. One big box is equal to 2. And here is class boundaries. We have to write down class boundaries. Here is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70s. Less than 10 was 0. Yes, less than 10 was 0. Less than 20 was 2. Here. And less than 30 is 7. This is in between 6 and 8. Less than 30 is 7. Then less than 30 is 7. Then less than 40 is 16. Less than 40 is 16. Then less than 50 is 22. Less than 60 is 26. And less than 70 is 27, in between that. Here. Dear students, this is your graph. This is your graph. Q1 was 6.5. Here is 7. 6.5 is midway between 6 and 7. This is 6.5. Take the ruler, draw the straight line here and cut this graph and bring it down. That will be Q1. In front of 6.5, draw the line which will cut your graph and bring it down on x-axis. That is Q1. And 13th, Width is 13, in between 12 and 14, 13. Now you will bring this line here and bring it down like that. This will be Q2, that is known as median. Yes, it is known as median. So dear students, after that you have 19.5. Here is 18 and this is 19. In between 18 and 20, this is 19, and in between 19 and 20, that is 19.5. And now you will take the ruler and draw the dotted line, and which will bring on x-axis, and it will be Q3. This is called third quartile. First quartile, second quartile, third quartile, and in this way you can find, remember that approximately these values are exactly will have equal sizes. For example, if I am taking this, suppose it is 25, then this will be, what will be that? This is 35 and this will be 45. So these values will have constant distance and equal distance between the values. I hope that you understood this question. Dear students, with this question your exercise 6.2 is finished. After that we have exercise 6.3 and we have already solved question 4, 5, 6. Only one question was added and that was your question number 7. 6.3, question number 7. Dear students, we have exercise 6.3. And question number 7 is, we have to find the range of distribution of marks. Here is marks in percentage, marks in percentage. Then we have frequency, number of students. And after that, we will find class boundaries. We need this class boundary. Here we will have 30 to 40, 33 to 40, 33 to 40, and 41 to 50, 41 to 50, 51 to 60, 61 to 70. 61 to 70. 71 to 75. 71 to 75. And the frequency is 28, 31, 28, 31, 12, 9, 5. 12, 9 and 5. Here we will write down the class boundaries. You know that from the lower class limit subtract 0.5, upper class limit add 0.5. This will be 32.5 to 40.5, 40.5 to 50.5, 50.5 to 60.5, 60.5 to 70.5, and 70.5 to 75.5. Dear students, what is meant by range? You must understand what is meant by range. Range is the difference of largest value minus smallest value. So range is largest value minus smallest value. What is the largest value? 75.5. And what is smallest value? 32.5. Here we will have 75.5 minus 32.5. That will be equal to 43. Dear students, that was your question number 7, exercise 6.3. With this question, we have finished our whole syllabus, and even what was the revised reduced syllabus, we added there those questions which were not given in the previous reduced syllabus. I hope that you will prepare it properly and revise it properly, and inshallah, if you have any problem, then contact me, inshallah we'll do it. Okay, Allah Hafiz and Assalamu Alaikum.